Hey crafty friends, it's Joy here for Honeybee Stamps. Today I created a Christmas card using the Lovely Layers Winter Greenery and the Kaleidoscope 3D embossing folder. So here is that Lovely Layers Winter Greenery. I'm just going to use 2 of these images. Then I have the 3D embossing folder, the Kaleidoscope 3D embossing folder, Bitty Buzzwords Holiday, and the coordinating dies. Now I have 2 pieces of red cardstock. I have trimmed one down. One is A2 size, the other one is trimmed slightly smaller. I'm misting them with a little bit of water because I want to get a really good impression with this embossing folder. I'm just going to place that in the center, run it through my die cut machine, and then I can do the second one. I want this to be 2 layers of gorgeous red cardstock. We're going to do a little something extra to that smaller piece here in just a minute, and it really brings out all of the embossing from that folder. So I ran that through my die cut machine one more time, and then we've got our 2 pieces. Now I'm using Honeybee Stamps' new Brilliant White ink, and I'm just going to put this on the small piece. So the raised areas, I'm running my ink pad gently across the top, not with any pressure, but look at how it brings out all of that background. It is so, so pretty. Then I have my sentiments. This is from the Bitty Buzzwords Holiday. I'm using the Believe sentiment, and then the other smaller sentiment says, "In the Magic of Christmas." I'm going to stamp both of these with the newer metallic gold ink. You guys, I love this ink. This is so quick and easy to get some gold or silver or whatever color you want in a metallic ink to get that look. So if you didn't want to do any heat embossing, you could just stamp with this ink and it totally gives you that vibe. I will use the coordinating die to die cut out the word believe, and then the smaller sentiment, I'm just going to trim that out with my paper trimmer. I'm taping that die cut in place with some low tack tape, and then I can run that through my die cut machine. Then let me trim down this smaller piece, and then we're going to have both of our sentiments. If you wanted to do these in different colors, I would say the believe would be good in that gold, and then maybe the other part you could do in a black. That would be pretty as well. Okay, so let's get this together. I'm adding some low profile foam tape behind the smaller panel. The other panel, the back panel, I actually flipped over. So now you kind of have the debossed area. So I have the debossed in the background and the embossed in the top for the top panel, which I kind of like that contrast. Then I have die cut from the Lovely Layers Winter Greenery 2 of like the pine needles from a darker green cardstock, and then the other set of one stem of leaves from a lighter green cardstock. I'm just using some liquid glue to adhere that down. I'm going to place that a little bit higher up on that panel. I want the word believe to go across the top of it. And I also want that to have some foam tape. I love my sentiments to have foam tape, so I want to place some pieces there. And I wanted this to have Christmas colors. So we've got the red background, the greenery, we've got the gold for the sentiment. So for the berries, I'm just going to use white cardstock to bring in some of that white, along with a little bit of that white from the ink pad that we did on the embossing background. Then for the other sentiment, I'm going to place this at the bottom and make sure that is nice and centered. And then here are those little berries. I'm just going to place those all over the background greenery. And I liked the 2 different colors of green because it gives you a nice visual contrast. So that was important to me rather than just sticking with one color of green. And I just decided to fill up the whole background with all of these berries, and you get lots of different sizes. I think there is 4 different sizes of berries. So that is perfect. So let's finish those. And then we're going to add some details with a white gel pen and some Shimmery watercolor, which is so gorgeous. So a few little highlights to the leaves. I just wanted to add a little more interest to them. And then I want the Shimmery on my white berries. Just to have a little bit of shine on these will be perfect. It's not going to change the color, but it is going to give you a little bit of glitter, which is really, really pretty. It's a little bit hard to see on camera, but it looks gorgeous in person. So I just squeezed a little bit on my work surface. I'm using a tiny paintbrush to paint those onto the berries. Then I will adhere this to a white A2 size card base, and then this card is completely finished. It has tons of texture, great Christmas colors, and I just love how this turned out. Thank you guys so very much for stopping by and watching. I hope you have a really awesome day, and thank you again. Bye.